Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the importance of F statistics in Eviews. Basically, F statistic is used to test the overall joint significance of all the independent variable. Basically, it means that how independent variable jointly affecting our dependent variable. So that is the importance of F statistic, and that is why we use F statistic in our model. Now, if we come to the understanding of the F statistics, basically the purpose of using F statistic is tell us that null hypothesis that all regression coefficients are equals to 0. It means the independent variable. In other words, it checks the if the independent variable as a group, or it means jointly statistically significant impacting our dependent variable. Now, when we come to the calculation of F statistic, the formula which we use to calculate F statistic value is F equals to MSR divided by MSE. So what does mean by MSR? MSR means that regression mean sum of squares, and MSE means is the mean error sum of squares. So this is how we can calculate F statistics value. Now, when we come to the interpretation of F statistics, so what would be the appropriate value, or what is the guideline, or what is the bottom line, or what is the rule of thumb, that how can we say that our model is good fitted or not? So if the F statistic value is higher, the more the F statistic value, it means that your model is highly significant or it is good fitted. And if your F statistic value is low, then it means that your model is not good fitted and your independent variable are not jointly affecting your dependent variable. So there is one thing more from which you can interpret the F statistic result, that is the probability value of F statistics. So if the probability value of F statistic is less than 0.05, so it means that your overall model is good fitted, and you can say that your independent variables are jointly affecting your dependent variable. But if your probability value of F statistics is greater than 0.05, it means that your variables are not jointly affecting your dependent variable, and it means that your model is not good fitted. So now come to the practical example of F statistics. We can calculate it by our Eviews model, and then we can see that whether our model is good fitted or not. Now we will perform this in our Eviews practically. So now this is our Eviews, and as in our previous lecture I have already tell that how can we import data from Excel file to Eviews. Now we have to open file, then we go to new work file, and then we have to mention as I have dated data and it is annually data, so I have to enter start and end date of the data, and my start data is the date of data is 1996 and end date is 2024. So then I have to click on OK. So now I have to copy my data from my Excel file, as I have already selected the data. Now I will go again to my Eviews work file, then I will go to quick, then on empty group, and here I will paste my all data sets. As you can see that my all data is available now here in Eviews. Now you can select any of these variable as your dependent variable, and the rest of our your will be independent variable. So let's suppose I am taking GDPG is my dependent variable, and all the rest of variables are independent variable. So you have to press the control button, and then you can select all variables by clicking left button of your mouse, then click right click, open as equation, and here you have to write C is intercept very first from the dependent variable. So this result will appear on our screen. So as you can see that a dependent variable is GDPG, and there are 29 observations. C is the intercept, FDI, GOV, POPD are our independent variable. But we are only interested in this F statistics and probability value of F statistics. As you can see that in this model, our F statistic value is very low, which means that our model is not good fitted. Secondly, you can check also by the probability value of F statistics. As you can say that our probability value of F statistic is greater than 0.05. It is 0.95. So which means that it is also telling us that our model is not good fitted. Okay, if I can write in here, if p value of F stat is less than 0.05, it means that our model is good fitted. So it means that our independent variables are jointly affecting our dependent variable. But in this case, our probability value is greater than, very much greater than 0.05. So it means that this model is not good fitted. Secondly, higher the F stat value, then it also means that our model is good fitted. But you can see that in our this result, our F statistic value is very much low. So these both are indicating that our model is not good fitted. So this is how can you say that. So this is the interpretation of F statistics, or the importance of F statistics in. I hope that you have learned something new from today lecture. If you have any question regarding today lecture, you can ask me freely. Thank you.